Why do some people work hard, yet never reach their goals? Why does motivation fade when results don't come fast enough? This is not a story about talent or luck. It's a story about persistence, and the hidden reason most people quit too early. Once upon a time, in a quiet town in the United States, there lived a teenage boy named Ryan. He was 17, average in grades, average in confidence, but full of dreams he rarely spoke out loud. Ryan wanted success badly. He wanted to prove he wasn't ordinary. He set big goals, better grades, a fit body, a better future. But every time he started, he stopped. He would wake up motivated, plan his day, promise himself change, and then quit within days. When things felt hard, Ryan told himself, "Maybe I'm not meant for this." Deep down, he believed he lacked something others had. What Ryan didn't realize was that his problem wasn't ability, it was consistency. Ryan failed at goals because he expected fast results. When improvement didn't come quickly, he felt disappointed. He compared himself to others, who seemed ahead, and decided it was pointless to continue. At school, he watched classmates succeed and thought they were naturally smarter. At home, he scrolled endlessly, numbing his frustration. He didn't fail. Because he didn't try, he failed. Because he stopped trying when progress became invisible. Every unfinished goal quietly trained his mind to quit earlier next time. Ryan wasn't lazy. He was impatient with himself. One day, Ryan failed an important exam he had promised himself he would pass. He sat alone in an empty classroom after school, staring at his paper. That was the moment it hit him, not as anger, but as sadness. "I always quit right before things get better," he whispered. An older teacher noticed him and sat nearby. She said something simple that changed everything. "You don't fail at goals because you start too late. You fail because you stop too early." Those words stayed with Ryan. For the first time, he understood the real enemy wasn't failure. It was giving up during the uncomfortable middle. If this emotional story is helping you learn English through powerful life lessons, subscribe to English Story Academy for emotional, interesting, and unforgettable motivational stories. Ryan decided to change one thing. Not his goals, but how he treated them. He stopped chasing motivation and focused on showing up. Even on bad days, even when progress felt pointless. He studied a little every day. He exercised without expecting instant results. When he failed, he didn't restart from zero. He continued. Some days were still hard. Some weeks felt slow. But this time, Ryan didn't quit. He learned that goals don't fail people. People abandon goals when patience runs out. Months passed. The changes were quiet but real. Ryan's grades slowly improved. His confidence grew, not because he succeeded every day, but because he didn't give up on bad days. People began to notice, but that wasn't what mattered most. What mattered was that Ryan finally trusted himself. He learned a powerful truth. Motivation comes and goes, but discipline stays. The moment he stopped quitting, his goals stopped feeling impossible. Years later, Ryan looked back at the boy who kept restarting his life every Monday. He smiled, not with pride, but with understanding. He finally knew why people fail at goals. They expect progress without patience, success without struggle, results without endurance. Ryan didn't become successful overnight, but he became unstoppable the day he chose to never give up, even when quitting felt easier. And that decision changed everything. You don't fail at goals because you're weak. You fail because you quit too soon. If this story inspired you, subscribe to English Story Academy for emotional, motivational stories that help you learn English and grow stronger every day.